Losing a loved one can mean everything. In the United States, one death leads to 5 people being impacted by grief.
A loss can heavily affect people, with 43% of grievers experiencing depression.
The current solution are therapy sessions, which are not affordable to the general public and cannot replicate a loved one.
Hi, my name is Aniket Sarkar.
My name is Mitran Loganathan Mohanraj.
My name is Satvik, and we created Eternal Soul, a novel, effective, and accessible solution to grief therapy.
Eterna works by taking text messages from your lost loved one and using a unique chatbot trained based on those messages to recreate your loved one by reliving positive memories and giving encouragement to heal the sadness from one's loss.
The project was coded using Python and used different databases and models shown here. Let's dive into each of the components of the backend.
This is the code showing the message reading system, currently capable of reading SMS and WhatsApp messages through open source messaging scrapers. It takes and analyzes the text the users provide to craft the best response possible.
Once the message is read and the character has been thoroughly learned, we use Google Gemini's learning model to train the chatbot with characteristics from the messages of your loved one. Users can text the chat box to simulate them talking to a loved one. The chatbot is trained to heal sorrow and bring back specific positive memories based on those messages. As shown on the previous clip here, this all appears on a front end of a website with soothing colors and appealing visuals to help calm the mind and focus on healing.
One technical challenge we faced throughout this project was coordinating the front end and the back end, since they were developed separately, and many times the code wasn't saving, so we had to overcome that problem. We overcame this through trial and error and rewriting the code multiple times.
We all realize that this is truly not your loved one. One cannot rely all of their emotions on artificial intelligence. That's why we tailored Eterna to focus on healing, with time limits per day, focusing only on positive memories and encouragement, local and helpful resources, and also journaling tools that you can actually resolve the grief day by day.
We also reinforced privacy of the app with the 14+ age restriction, a user passcode every time the app is opened, and made sure that the message reading software only observes messages, never sends or interferes.
Throughout the entire process, we learned about artificial intelligence through using models, databases, and LLMs, and a lot of coding to create the chatbot and the message scraping system. We also learned a lot about organization and teamwork skills, and most importantly, problem solving. We had to overcome the technical difficulties and problems we faced throughout the entire journey.
We're always innovating, and currently we're working on a voice cloning software, replicating your loved one's voice through past phone calls, with future steps to train the chatbot to read more forms of media and to publish it as an app in the App Store to truly aid those in need.
Eterna is the next bold step that paves the way for healing and therapy for all.